Hello everyone, this is Kiran. I'm a life mastery coach. Some of you know me, some of you have interacted with me. Today, it's not about what I do, it's not about something that I want to share with you. Today is all about this guy who's sitting with me. His name is Anirudh. Hi Anirudh, how are you doing?
Hello ma'am, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Anirudh. So I wanted to tell the audience about you, and this small interview that I'm going to do with you. It's about Anirudh's success story. It's about Anirudh's manifestation, which I wanted to bring to you all, so that when you listen to what he has done, what he has created for himself, I want all of you to get inspired, take actions, and do so much more for yourself. Manifest all the things that you so deserve. So Anirudh, welcome once again.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. It's a pleasure being on your interview or on your show. I was been watching your previous shows also. That's where more inspired. Even I got inspired from them.
Thank you so much, Anirudh. So just quickly, let me introduce the audience to you. You to the audience, in fact. Anirudh, he is a civil services aspirant, and we came in contact a year back when Anirudh was a part of my NLP program. Anirudh, why don't you tell us all how's your journey been in the last 1 year?
Yes, happy afternoon, everyone. So as ma'am said, yes, our journey started exactly last year in August. At the time, I was looking for a NLP training for myself to understand how our brain works and what are the blockages we have in achieving our dreams. So I was searching. Finally, I was lucky to get trained by Kiran ma'am that day. So from that day, constantly we are in contact. And she added me into a group that everybody was in the group, I hope. So the group she has created is it's having a group energy. Because in other trainings, what happens after the learning, you may miss the track. There is no one for you to check you or to guide you. But when I was added in the group, initially, like everyone, first 1 or 2 months, I was off the track. But once I got a message from ma'am that, why are you not active? What are you doing right now? So from then I was thinking that, yes, I should utilize this group. And then also every day we have a group sharings. They'll share their success or they share their doubts. And ma'am is to clarify all of them. So from that day, I thought, why should I utilize this? Yes. That is a beginning, ma'am. That's the beginning of our thing. So I'll tell a bit about myself, how I was at that time and how I'm right now.
Yes, please do.
So yes, before Jan 2020, I can say I have a dreams like I was a civil service aspirant. For that, we need basically two main skills, that is writing skill and speaking skills. Already I was into public speaking, but I was never did something great in public speaking or speaking out like that. But I have that confidence in me. What happened in this year that I was saying about Jan 2020, I have joined Chakra Challenge, 21 days Chakra Challenge by Kiran ma'am. That happened in the May. So in the Chakra Challenge, I will explain you what we did in Chakra Challenge. But before that, what are the things I manifested after May? I have made a list here. I would like to read it out. I'll just say what happened. I started waking up at 5 a.m. after May, and it's been 66 days. I have completed 60 days of 5 a.m. I'll tell you how I did it. And then till today, I have completed my 100 days of meditation. You might be thinking I was saying about only waking up and meditation, but the success which I have seen is like I have got All India rank 4th in essay writing competition, which was held by an UPSC institute. Before that, I was saying you that I was aspiring to get good writing skills and all. I have manifested this. And working an hour for a day at my home platform in 45 days, me and my brother has made 1 lakh rupees in June and July. Just sitting at our home, just working for 1 hour. I was teaching the student the same civil services subject which I learned in my own way, and they liked and they joined. So we made that. Apart from that, we are also into giving back to the society. That's our organization and all, where we have gave 1 month groceries to an old age home, and also recently we have supported girls' education, those are studying intermediate in our hometown. So these are the things. And one more thing, recently my public speaking video that is on English speaking skills was being uploaded in 1 million channel YouTube channel. So it all happened after May only. That's why I want to stress to everyone that all this can happen in 2 months. So what actually happened in daily journaling or something like that is every day, like everybody knows that everybody will be getting several thousands of thoughts every day. In that, when I observed for myself, I observed that 60% of thoughts like are from past life. I mean, past lifetime what we have, and 20% like I was thinking about other people. Only 10% I was concentrating on my goal or on myself. So when we started writing journaling every day, whole I can't say like 100%, but 90% of my thoughts are on the positive thing, or on my future, or on myself. I think after the 21 days also we continue doing that. In one of the challenges, ma'am has given that which is the toughest thing you want to do in the thing. So I have opted for waking up early morning. These all the things I didn't do in my life till now. Now I have started waking up 5 a.m. also. And with the Chakra Challenge meditation, I get adapted to this meditating. Like we used to have a few meditation sessions every week. So from that day I started doing every day. So when I'm starting doing meditation and all, everybody knows that they want to do, but nobody can do without a support or without any challenge. I understood that. So in that process, I understood which are the things I should concentrate, which are the things I should neglect, which are the things I should ignore and all. So this is all I want to share with you all. This is what my manifestation in the recent past 2 months and what helped me in doing this.
Yes. Amazing, Anirudh. That's amazingly wonderful. All these successes that you have got, and I am really proud to say this, that you have been consistent during those challenge days, and you were one of the toppers in the challenge when we used to have the scoring system as well, right? So you were taking those actions, and I think those actions have got you results, and super results, super success that you have got. So let me ask you another question, Anirudh. So during this challenge, during this chakra meditations, we used to do the meditations on a weekly basis. What kind of shift did you feel internally with respect to your own power, your own energy?
Generally, till now, I have used only 10% of my energy, ma'am, that I understood. First thing is, I got awareness about my own energy. I realized that I was using not up to the mark. So with the daily meditation, my first goal is like I should be optimum in my everyday performance or efficiency, because in one of the things, one of the journalings you're keeping like daily 3 tasks means in the first initial days, nobody can do all the 3 also. So 3 is a benchmark. If you're keeping now, we should realize that we should achieve that 3. Literally, like if you are writing something, we should achieve that. So yes, ma'am. This is what shift I have observed. This is we should perform to our maximum level each day, whether it is Sunday or Monday. If you are enjoying also, you should be in your maximum capacity. Even if you're listening something, you should be in a maximum position to absorb it.
Yeah. Okay. Anirudh, were there any challenges that you faced during this entire period?
Yeah, ma'am. Initially, it was there. But due to the community and due to your motivation for the 21 days, it became a habit, ma'am. That always I have that to create a habit, we should be consistent. That consistency was given with the group help and with your motivation, mainly because of your program, ma'am. I can see only abroad trainers was doing all these challenges, these things. I used to feel like we should have one person in our community also, or within our reach, somebody to do this. Even I have seen Robin Sharma 60 days 5 a.m., but there was no, that connection was not there. It was something like app based and all, we can't discuss also. So I think this was first challenge I attended in India by you, ma'am. Like this was, I can say, it's a unique thing you have started. It's a very value addition you have given us.
Amazing, Anirudh. Thank you. Thank you so much. And before we close, would you like to give any advice to people who are watching you?
Yes, people who are watching me, they know what to do. They know how to do also, but they can't do daily. Like me, if I'm supposing like this, I should tell you one more goal I kept right now. Now I'm working on my physique also. I was been into. I have taken a dietitian advice from dietitian, and I was following from the past 1 week. And many people want to do, but they can't do because they don't know how to maintain the consistency. But if you can bring that consistency system in your life, it can be applicable to anything. Right now, I may not be part of any challenge, but my mind was trained in such a way like I can take up the challenge because I was a foodie. I never compromised on my food. But first time from 1 week, I was eating as per the diet. Nobody's checking me. Nobody's watching me, but I'm true to myself. I think if you're following something for 21 days like this, any challenge, it will rewire your mind. That is for sure. So my advice to you is to be consistent. Please join any challenge or be accountable to yourself because nobody is going to change 100% of your life. And this consistency is the main thing that everybody says, but everybody has to take this action. Otherwise, it is like knowledge, watching all the YouTube videos, doing nothing. And we have also people to support us like Kiran ma'am to give us motivation, to give us kickstart and all. We should utilize this to transform our life. And remember that this 2020 should be a transformation life. Till this day, we have watched many videos, we have learned many things, but I have decided that 2020 should be a transformation one. If I go back to 2021 and see back what I have did in 2020, I should be satisfied. It should not be like a 2019 like previous year. So this was a resolution I have taken, ma'am. So that's why I joined your course, and I was happy and blissful today.
Amazing. Thank you, Anirudh. Thank you so much. It was very fun. It was very nice to have you. Fantastic to hear your story. And to all of you listening to us, thank you so much for staying till the end of this video. This is Anirudh's success story. When are you going to create your success story? This is Kiran Padi. I'll soon be coming up with more success stories for all of you. Thank you and have a lovely day. Bye-bye.
Thank you.